Now raise your glass if you've kept a romance in your relationship alive by remembering the small things. Tenant relationships are similar. These small gestures can ensure a long, happy lease together. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. I'm Amit Grover from ECMP Studios. And today, we're diving into the art of tenant relations and retention. Keeping tenants happy isn't just good manners, it's smart business. Just like in a long-term relationship, the effort you put in can make all the difference in keeping the bond strong. Maintaining positive tenant relations starts with communication. Be accessible and responsive. When tenants know they can reach you and expect a prompt reply, trust builds. It's like texting back quickly in a relationship. It just shows that you care. Regular updates to the property also play a crucial role, whether it's upgrading appliances or freshening up the paint. These improvements show tenants that you value their comfort and satisfaction. Think of it as buying flowers for a significant other. It's an investment in happiness. Tenant appreciation events can also strengthen this relationship. Hosting a small gathering or providing a communal amenity can make tenants feel as part of a tribe. It's similar to celebrating anniversaries. It reinforces the connection. Furthermore, addressing complaints swiftly and effectively is critical. Handling issues seriously and professionally reassures that same exact tenant that their concerns are important. It's like dealing with disagreements in a relationship, but with care and attention. Neglect can lead to breakups. Finally, offering incentives for lease renewals can be a powerful tool for retention. Consider giving them small tenant improvement money to renew their space. These small gestures can tip the balance in favor of staying over moving. It's like renewing your vows, reminding why they chose you in the first place. If you've had success in retaining tenants or faced challenges that taught you a valuable lesson, we would love for you to share those experiences below. We all benefit from real-world examples. Next, we will discuss trends and future outlook in landlord representation. Staying informed about latest trends is like staying relevant in your relationship. You need to evolve to succeed. For more expert tips, or if you have questions, contact us at ECMP. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to keep up with all of our latest content. Let's keep learning, keep planning, and as always, keep it real. Stay